One of the ways I like to test my capacity is by drinking a 2-liter bottle of soda without releasing any of the carbonation. If you've got a big enough capacity, you should be able to drink all of this without burping once.
All right, let's see. And I can't burp.
No, you cannot burp. So you want to agitate it as little as possible. Just try to like smoothly pour it down, drink, don't burp once. Let's see how far you can get.
A 2-liter bottle of soda contains 67 ounces.
Calm, relaxed.
In extreme situations, the human stomach can stretch to accommodate 135 ounces.